Hi everyone, Mike from CCTV Camera Pros here. This video is meant to be an introduction to our Viewtron security camera system product line. So my name is Mike Haldas. I'm the co-founder of CCTV Camera Pros, and I've been in charge of CCTV Camera Pros product research and development from the beginning. Greg, my business partner, and I started this company a little over 18 years ago, and I've been the one that researched all the physical products as well as all the software for the company. And Viewtron is our product line. So we founded the Viewtron product line, and all of the tech support, all of the product warranty, all of the customer service is done directly with us. All of our employees are located here in Lantana, Florida, and none of this is outsourced overseas. Now, the manufacturing is done overseas, but it's done under NDAA compliance by our manufacturing partner. And if you're not familiar with what NDAA is, it stands for the National Defense Authorization Act. This is an old law put in place back in the 60s that basically authorized how our Congress spends money on defense. And there's a section there for video surveillance equipment to make sure that our government is not purchasing video surveillance equipment that's manufactured by any bad actors or manufacturers that we don't trust. All of our Viewtron product line is fully NDAA compliant, so it's authorized for purchase by the government. This is commercial grade equipment, but the pricing is affordable enough for most home applications too. So we supply Viewtron equipment for home, business, and government use. And as far as the product line goes, so it consists mainly of our IP camera system equipment and our CCTV BNC equipment. So IP cameras and NVRs are all ONVIF compliant. So our NVRs can be used with third-party IP cameras as well as Viewtron IP cameras, and Viewtron IP cameras are ONVIF compliant as well. So they could be used with Viewtron NVRs or third-party NVRs. We make this equipment as open as possible so that it could be used with other third-party manufacturer equipment. You deal with us for everything in regards to Viewtron. So we sell this equipment directly, and then if you need any warranty service, customer service, or tech support, again, you are dealing directly with us for everything. Again, we're located in Lantana, Florida. So in addition to the IP camera line, as I mentioned, we also have BNC or CCTV cameras that support all the major video formats: AHD, HD TVI, HD CVI, and analog CVBS. So we help customers with upgrading existing systems. If you have some equipment in place and you just want to replace a camera that went bad, or if you need a new recorder, we help you determine what is compatible with your existing system and help guide you when it's time to replace some or all of your entire system. We can help you think through that process and do what makes sense for you, both from a budget standpoint as well as from a technology standpoint. We can give you good advice as to when it's time to upgrade, when it makes sense to use your existing cable that's in place, or when it makes sense to upgrade to, from an analog CCTV system to an IP camera system, for example. By far, our most popular Viewtron products are our Viewtron AI cameras. These are IP cameras with special AI software built in that can do things like detect human objects, detect vehicles, detect and compare faces, as well as specialized license plate recognition cameras. The AI software is a huge time saver. For example, like in an outdoor setting like this, You can set up an intrusion zone and detect when people are in this area during certain hours. It's a huge time saver when you have to go back and look at recorded video surveillance footage. You can jump to right to those points of interest where there was humans detected, or when applicable, vehicles detected, so on and so forth. Our Viewtron AI cameras are by far our best seller, and I highly recommend that you look at the Viewtron AI security camera video demos that we have. In addition to the Viewtron IP cameras, Viewtron NVRs, Viewtron CCTV cameras, and the Viewtron hybrid DVRs, which, by the way, I forgot to mention, in addition to handling all BNC cameras up to 4K resolution, the hybrid BNC DVRs also work with IP cameras as well. In addition to that, we also have high quality installation mounts, junction boxes, cables, and accessories. We can help you with individual pieces of equipment, and we can also help design complete systems, small systems for homes up to, commercial applications that consist of multiple buildings, multiple locations across a huge enterprise. We really cater to the smallest residential customer all the way up to, we've had government contracts where we've sold hundreds of systems to, and everything in between. We offer free consultation and design and quotes. So if you need help thinking through and talking through what makes sense, we can set up a phone consultation for you and discuss your requirements and figure out what the best solution is for you. We basically make it easy for DIY installation. So as long as you can run cable and mount the cameras, we can do everything else remotely as far as supporting you with the configuration, the remote access, setting up the mobile apps, so on and so forth. Or if you want to hire your own local electrician or low voltage installer, this is all low voltage stuff. So a low voltage cable installer can do all of this installation for you. We can support you directly on the installation side, or support any electrician or low voltage installer that you hire. We can work with anyone on this. Again, if you can run the cable and mount the cameras, we can log in and do everything else remotely, and we provide free technical support for the life of the system. There's never any monthly fees or charges. The mobile apps for iPhone and Android are excellent, and they work with the Viewtron NVRs, the Viewtron DVRs, and directly with the Viewtron IP cameras. It's the same app for all the Viewtron security products, and you can manage multiple locations in the app. That's the same for the desktop software for Windows and Mac. Again, Viewtron DVRs, Viewtron NVRs, and Viewtron IP cameras all can connect to the Viewtron video management system that we provide for free for Mac and Windows. Guys, I hope this video has been helpful as an introduction to our Viewtron video surveillance equipment. If you have any questions related to security camera systems, you can contact me anytime. I can be reached directly at mike@cctvcamerapros.net. If you want to learn more about our Viewtron video surveillance product line, again, it's our top recommendation, applicable to home, business, and government. We have a ton of demo videos online demonstrating our AI cameras, our face recognition, our license plate recognition, as well as our legacy BNC coax systems. We really try to make it very easy for you to see what you get, as well as to see how easy it is to set this stuff up via video demos that I personally make. You can learn more about all of the Viewtron products and links to the video demos at www.viewtron.com. Thanks so much for watching.